Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Now in this video, I'll be discussing one of the most important topic in Microsoft Excel, that is how to protect the Excel file, the Excel workbook, the Excel worksheet, and also how to protect some of the cells within the file. As you know that protecting the Excel file is very important. Today we are living in a very dynamic world where people are trying to hack our data and they want to misuse our data. So it is our duty to protect our file, to protect our data within the Excel. Let us first of all see that what is the importance of protecting the Excel file. Then we will see the various methods of protecting the Excel file, workbook, worksheet, and the cells. So here I have written some few points where I have mentioned that what is the importance of protecting the Excel file. So protecting an Excel file is important because it helps secure the integrity, confidentiality, and usability of the data inside. Here are the main reasons why protection matters. So the first important point is data security and confidentiality. Whenever you are trying to protect the file, then you are trying to prevent the unauthorized access to the sensitive information, because see, sometimes you are working with the financial data, sometimes you are working with the sales data. So these are very crucial for any organization. So that's why we have to prevent the unauthorized access to this kind of a sensitive data. It ensures that only the authorized users can view or edit the file, and for that purpose we are having the password protection. So in this video I'll be talking about that how to protect your Excel file by putting some kind of password. The second point is about the data integrity. It stops accidental or intentional changes to formulas, formats, or critical values. So say sometimes, let's say I have created an Excel file. Now I am sharing that Excel file with my colleague. Now what happened that accidentally my colleague tries to delete some of the content from that file. Those contents are very important, but accidentally he or she tries to delete those information. So that's why to avoid such kind of mistake, I'll show you here that how you can protect the cells also within the Excel file. It protects the complex models and calculations from being broken. So suppose if I've created some kind of Excel file where there are a lot of calculations. So suppose if I accidentally delete one of the calculation, then it may affect the other calculation. So I don't want to have such kind of situation. So that's why we have to protect such kind of complex files also. It ensures the data remains reliable for decision making. Then we are having the controlled access. So here one by one I'll be creating total 4 videos. So this is the first video related to the protection. Then after that, I'll be creating another 3 videos also. In this video, as I mentioned earlier, that I'll be showing you how to protect the Excel file. Then in the next video, I'll be showing you that how to protect your workbook, the whole Excel file. It is also known as workbooks, how to protect the workbook. Then we'll be also talking about how to protect the worksheet, because in workbook, we are having different sheets. So how to protect a particular sheet. So that will be the third video in this series. And then I'll be showing you in the fourth video that how to protect a particular cell, or let's say you are having a group of cells, you do not want to have any changes in those cells, then I'll also show you that how you can protect the individual cells here. So that will be the fourth video in this series. It is useful for collaboration, ensuring each user only modifies what they are supposed to. Now we are talking about the fourth one is accountability. It helps maintain a record of who can access or change the file. I can also provide the access to a particular group of people only or to one of the person only. So that is also possible here. It reduces the risk of disputes in shared environment by preventing unauthorized edits. So whenever we are working in a team, then we have to be very careful that who can edit the Excel file, who can modify it, and all those things. The last one over here, it is compliance and legal requirements. Many organizations must follow the data protection laws like GDPR. Let's say in Europe we are having the GDPR rules. Every organization has to follow those rules. So that's why sometimes the rules are also there by which you have to protect your data. Protecting the Excel file helps meet internal security policies and external regulations. So finally here we can say that in short, protecting an Excel file ensures that the right people have the right access at the right time while keeping the data safe from misuse or corruption. So the right person should have the right data at the right time. That is the final target of this protecting the Excel file. We are having this Excel file which I have created. It is known as protecting file, workbook, worksheet, etc. Now see, first of all, I'll show you in this video that how to protect Excel file. So for protecting this Excel file, and if I want to give some kind of password, I have to go to this file tab, and in the file tab I have to go to this info, and now in the info we are having this button. Now see, currently I am using the Microsoft 365 version. If you are using some old version, then the things may be different. So here I'm going to the info. In the info, I'm clicking on this protect workbook. In the protect workbook, when I click it, then here I'm having this option known as encrypt with password. So here it says require a password to open this workbook. So I click on it, encrypt with password, and now here I have to give the password. Now see, just now for the example purpose, I'm giving a very simple password, but you have to give little bit complex password so that people are not able to decrypt your password. So here I'll be writing very simple password 12345. So I've given here the password 12345. I click on OK button. Now again it is asking me to re-enter the password. So 12345. I click on OK button, and now my file is protected. Yeah. So what I'll do now, I will save this file, and now I'll close this file. So I have saved the file, and now I'll reopen the file. So when I reopen the file, it is asking me the passwords. So I type here 12345. I click on OK button, and now I'm able to open my file. Ensure that whatever the password you are giving, you should be able to remember it. Don't give so complex password that you are not able to remember. So now my file is open. Now suppose, let's say I want to remove this password. So what I'll do, I will go to the file tab again, and then I will click on info here. And after I click on info, I'm having the same button, protect workbook. I click on protect workbook, and now I click this option here, encrypt with password. I click it, and now here I'm having the password. So I have to simply remove this password. So just remove the password here. So now I click on OK button. So now I'm back over here. If I save this file, and now when I reopen this file, then it will not ask me any password. So this is how you can protect your Excel file by putting a password. And if you want to remove the password, that is also possible. Friends, in this video, we have seen how to protect an Excel file. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you that how to protect the workbook. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.